Hello everyone. Welcome to AppGeeker. Are you confused about how to deal with your disabled iPhone 11 after entering wrong passcode for many times? Or do you want to know what to do if you unluckily forgot your passcode? Today, I am going to walk you through how to fix it by connecting your disabled iPhone 11 to iTunes. To fix your disabled iPhone 11 via iTunes, all you need is your iPhone USB cable and a laptop or a computer. First of all, make sure to power off your iPhone 11 before any action. You can just press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons for a while until the slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off the phone. Next, press the side button of iPhone 11 to put your iPhone in recovery mode. Press and hold the button for your iPhone, immediately connecting your iPhone to the computer. Don't let go of the button, then, keep holding the button until you see the recovery mode on the screen. For other Apple devices, you may try other methods. Welcome to check out the links in the description below. If your device is successfully detected by the computer, you may find two options on your screen, to restore and to update your device. Now, click Restore button. Follow the next steps. iTunes will download and install the latest iOS on your device and automatically erase all data and settings. You can restore your data if you have backups saved to iCloud previously, and I will tell you how to do it later. If you still get confused about iPhone is disabled connect to iTunes, why not try using iPhone Unlocker to fix it? iPhone Unlocker is designed for people with little knowledge of unlocking iPhone. You can just follow the process and unlock your phone with several clicks. First, download iPhone Unlocker from the website. You can find the link in the description below. After you download iPhone Unlocker, just follow the 4 steps. Step 1. Start the program, choose Wipe Passcode and click the Start button. Step 2. Power off your iPhone and plug it with the computer. And then press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same to the volume down. After that, press the side button. Don't release it until you see the icon showing Connect Laptop on the screen. You may follow the diagram shown on the screen to make sure the program successfully detects your phone. Step 3. Please confirm your device information and click Start button. Wait for downloading. This requires a bit time. After downloading finished, read the following precautions carefully, and enter 0000 as the instruction shows. Step 4. The program will begin erasing your data and factory reset the device. It usually takes a few minutes, so just be patient. Now you have reset your iPhone, just use it as a brand new iPhone. You can set it up now and choose to restart from iCloud when you got to the app and data option. Now, you can enter your Apple ID and password to select your data from the backup list. It takes a few minutes to restore everything back to your iPhone 11 from iCloud. Everything is perfectly done. Don't forget your passcode again.